Over 290,000 students graduate from institutions of higher learning, but 1 out of 5 graduates remain unemployed, with the majority being degree holders. Up to 55% unemployment people is undergraduate. Unemployment in Malaysia is concentrated among the youth. More than 290,000 students graduate annually, but 1 in 5 fresh graduates remain unemployed 6 months after graduation. Among fresh graduates with tertiary education, 25% degree holders are employed, which is highest unemployment.
Dr. Mahathir stated to increase the use of English as it is a universal language to improve Malaysia's education standard. Lecturer mode of in-class instruction would not be a rehashing of facts and figures from the reading list assigned to students. Only 40 to 50 of their lecture would involve audio-visual ideas, especially for social science subjects. In a 2-hour lecture, for instance, it is ludicrous to display 30 to 60 PowerPoint slides, assuming a 2 to 4 minute display per slide to lecture about the sociology of corruption. Audio-visual aids are exactly the aid to assist delivering the most important point and the fundamental theme of the lecture. The trend of lecture shying away from debate and discussion in classroom is increasing. Universities being the breeding ground for the intellectual pursuit, the spirit of inquiry, and the revenge of scientific and rational knowledge.
Law is a law that show the relationship between the gross domestic product and unemployment rate in America. But in our study, we will also study on how relevant is Okun's law to be applied in determining the rate of unemployment in Malaysia. Then, we also try to learn about the Philip curves, because Philip curves is a curve which stated that the relationship between the inflation and unemployment rate in America in early of 1990s. And to ensure that we can do it, so we will analyze data from Department of Statistics Malaysia.
For the learning issue, first, does the quality of education curriculum have a large influence on graduate unemployment? Second, how education revamp affect the rate of graduate unemployment in Malaysia? Third, does the proficiency of English affect the graduates' unemployment in Malaysia? Next, does the university being a good breeding ground for the student to accept the society have a relation with an unemployment rate in Malaysia? And last, the machine and automation have replaced the human job, especially in advanced industries such as electronic goods, manufacture and robotics.
There is few resources needed in order to complete our FILA form. First of all, we refer the facts through some articles in the internet and newspaper. Besides that, we also look up some journals from the library. There is some action taken after review the problem. On the 20th of November, our first meeting is held to discuss the fact and learning issues regarding unemployment rate among youths, and on the 22nd of November, we have a simple meet-up with lecturer to have a detailed briefing regarding the concept for the FILA. And on the 25th of November, we had our second meeting to look up for the ideas and mathematical modeling, Okun's law and also Philip's curve. While on the 26th of November, we had our third meeting to discuss the concept of each mathematical modeling. On the 27th of November, we had our fourth meeting to finalize our FILA form. And on the 28th of November, we have our fifth meeting, which is also a video shooting for the FILA form.